Hello students, I am Ashwini Shankar, your faculty in Perfection IAS, and today I am coming with another important topic which is important from your current affairs perspective, that is Nihanshu. Nihanshu. What is this Nihanshu word is all about? It is the first time, let me give you the background of this word. First time Embassy of Japan, Embassy, where is Embassy of Japan in India located, guys? Embassy of Japan is located in Delhi, right? Has Embassy of Japan in Delhi has opted for GI tag for this Nihanshu. Therefore, it is important for us from the current perspective to know what is that important thing that Embassy of Japan is vying for the GI tag. What is that? Nihanshu is basically a drink. It is basically a drink which is made up of fermented rice, and this drink is very famous in Japan. People consume this drink on very special occasions. What are those special occasions? For example, on marriage, on some social gatherings, and etc. Right? Therefore, it is important for you to understand what is Nihanshu. Let me repeat it again for you, that after watching this video, you don't need to read anything, just store this information in the hypothalamus of your mind. Nihanshu is a drink, very famous drink in Japan. It is made out of fermented rice, and it is the first time that Embassy of Japan in Delhi has opting for GI tag for this particular drink, Nihanshu. It is very famous in Japan. People consume this drink on very special occasions such as marriage, social gatherings, to celebrate their success and so on. I hope this information has given you an idea about what is Nihanshu and why it is in the news. Thank you very much for watching this video.